Hey friends, welcome back to another video. It's a fun one today. We're going to look at some of my favorite things on Amazon, so let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe and let's just get into it. I saw this piece of decor on Amazon and I just thought how cute. It is basically like a melted disco ball. It's one of those things you absolutely don't need. No one needs this. This is purely a want, but I thought it was so cute. Now, have I purchased it? No, it is on my wish list though. Right, moving on. So if you haven't noticed by now, I have a flair for the unusual, and this is a tissue box, right? But it's shaped like a TV. It's just something so odd that you wouldn't really see anywhere else. And I was like, how cute. It's only 10 bucks, so it's not bad. I just have not pulled the trigger to order it yet. So I saw this chair slash sofa and instantly fell in love with it. First off, it looks so comfortable, so fluffy and plush. And I think this would go in my beauty room slash office. Like I said, it's still sitting in my wish list. Haven't ordered it yet, but I do like that they have colors. I'm looking at the cream one, but who knows? But what do you guys think about this? All right, up next we have this L-shaped sectional. Now I'm looking for a new sofa for my living room area. This sofa had great ratings. There's only 7 of them though, so I'm a little nervous about that. But someone said that it was super, super comfortable. Love the fact that there's a lot of seating. Comes in a ton of colors as well. And just a little bit over $1,000. So that is, of course, a win. Okay, so next I saw this black console table by Tove. Now, if you guys have not heard of Tove before, we're going to do a deep dive on their website because I am in love with this style of furniture. I'll have you guys check it out later. No price on this, but I thought this would look great in my entryway. My only hesitation is that there are no drawers. I like for my console tables to at least have 2 drawers so I can hide stuff, put keys in there, stuff like that. This one has none. I think it is very striking, but I'm very hesitant about that. Alright friends, so let me just share this. I have almost made up my mind that I am about to totally strip my living room and go modern organic. You guys know how I feel about that style. And I was looking at these concrete planters. I think they would look gorgeous. Now it is $120 for 3 of them, the biggest being 15 inches. So I think I can find something cheaper somewhere. It's more about the vibe that it's giving. I really like them. Okay, so I saw this velvet wingback chair and once again I fell in love with it. $229 for one. You can get it in a set of 2. Now I'm looking at that beige set because in my modern organic living room I kind of want to stick to the beiges and the blacks as far as my colors. Then with some gold and some greenery as far as accents, I think this would work really well. Alright, so here's the deal with this. I don't need a new bed, but once again, it was that Tove brand that I am in love with. $900 queen, and it's very unique. I do like it. I was just kind of worried about the feet. I wonder how sturdy it is, but I think it's very eye-catching. Another beautiful headboard to me. If you guys haven't noticed, when I decorate, I just really look at things that I like and I build my style around that. I won't say, oh, I'm going modern organic. I just fill the room with pieces I love and then determine what my style is once I'm done. Now this bed is not modern organic. It's almost like Art Deco or Hollywood Regency, but I did really like it. So this sideboard is something else that I was looking at. $400. It says Scandinavian, but honestly this can be for a multitude of home decor styles, and I think that it would look gorgeous in my dining room, so I am thinking about it. Yeah, I don't know. I just think a dining room needs a sideboard for all of those extra pieces that you don't have cabinets or counter space for. It works perfectly. Okay, so one other thing on my Amazon wish list is this little Pet Pro carpet cleaner. Now, this can be used on things other than just carpet. You can use it on your sofas, upholstery, all of that stuff. Any stains you have, you can use that little like suction piece there to get it up or set the whole machine down. It just helps really prolong the life of your fabrics. Okay, so this one is a repeat purchase for me personally. You guys are home decor lovers. That's why you're watching this video, so you already know all about this. Scotch guard your furniture. Just make it, extend the life of it. Make it so any little spills and whatever just don't ruin a chair or your sofa. So easy to use and so necessary. Okay, if you all hear any noise in the background, I am so sorry. My cat is just going crazy around here. I don't know what's going on. But the next three items are kind of the same thing, just in different scents. So I love, like, if you step in my house, I need it to smell good. That's just my thing. I want you to have a good experience. So we have the apple cinnamon here. We have the brown sugar and vanilla. And the next one I believe is called Fall Night. I have used all three of these at different times and they smell marvelous. The throw is really good. You can plug it in your entryway, smell it in rooms kind of beyond that, and it lasts for a little while. You have your option how strong or faint to have the smell, and I just love the way that these three smell. So once again, these are repeat purchases for me. Okay, so the next three things are something that's on my wish list as well, which is why you're seeing it. So we took a staycation and we stayed at the Westin Hotel. And when I tell you, the bed was amazing. Now, to my shock, I did not know they actually sold components of their bed online. So this pillow, 2-pack of pillows, $159. Yikes. That's why it's still in my wish list category and not on my bed right now. You also have the mattress pad for $195, depending on which size that you purchase. Now it also, it has sheets, it has the whole thing. Honestly, this is the duvet and it is $165. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think it's the mattress that really gives it that feel, and the mattress was around $4,000. So if you can invest in it, the Westin is a ideal mattress to get. If not, I understand. So next we are going to go with the swivel barrel chairs. Now I'm also thinking about this for my living room. You see $400, but it is a set of two. I think that they are striking and make a statement without doing too much here, and the fact that you get two, I mean, that's a plus. So I'm also thinking about these barrel chairs here. Now this is a Sherpa fabric, so it's almost similar to like that teddy bear fabric, just really nice. Now I would either put these or the other swivel chairs in the living room, but not both. But these are $600. Once again, it's a set of two, and I love this color. So last but not least, this beautiful sofa. Now this is a dupe for the Restoration Hardware cloud sofa. That sofa is so comfortable. If you all have a RH near you, go sit on it. It just feels like a dream. This comes in a variety of colors. It is $1,000. So if I don't get the sectional, I'm thinking of getting this sofa and just putting one of the set of two accent chairs that we just looked at in the room as well. Well, here's the deal, friends. I didn't have any favorites for you in this video because they're all my favorites. They're already in my wish list. But do me a favor, if you enjoyed a home decor video like this and you want to see more, please subscribe and check out one of these videos here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.